Hi, my name is Bruce Chang. I'm a Deputy District Attorney with the Sacramento County District Attorney's Office, currently assigned to the Elder Abuse Prosecution Unit. It's a unit of one, and I am the designated vertical prosecutor, meaning that I handle cases from the time that they're reported. I review warrants, and I'm involved in the filing of charges as well as the prosecution of cases once they're filed. My particular unit focuses on familial violence or felony acts of violence committed by one family member against an elder in our community, and elders being defined by the California Penal Code as ages 65 or over. The reason that we are focused specifically on familial violence is that these cases tend to involve the most complex issues in terms of a relationship between the abusers and the victims, as well as many other dynamics that don't always arise in other elder abuse cases, such as mental health or substance abuse issues. The number of elder abuse cases that are reported, non-violence, non-family violence, or financial crimes throughout the county is staggering. As our population ages up and grows older, for example, in Sacramento County alone, we've seen almost a 4% increase in the last 10 years in terms of the population of adults ages 65 or older. Unfortunately, as the population grows, so do the people who seek to harm or disadvantage these very vulnerable members of the community. There are many scammers out there who are seeking to victimize elder adults, and they'll take advantage of either their trust or their reluctance to report crimes. And a lot of times it's understandable why an elder member of the community may not want to report a crime. In some of these cases, when an elder's family is no longer around, or they don't have the level of independence to move around freely in the community that they once had, either with a car or because of limited mobility. Sometimes the last thing that our victims have is their sense of independence in their home and their feeling of being safe in their home. And the tragedy of a lot of these elder abuse crimes is that these victimizers will take that last little bit that some of our victims have, that independence or that feeling of safety, away from them. The one thing to remember during Elder Abuse Awareness Month is that people should not have to suffer at home. People should not have to feel unsafe at home. And people should not have to spend their golden years worrying about other people knowing or treating them differently because of what happened. While I might not handle every case in Sacramento County, it's important to get reports of any kind of abuse or financial crimes documented so that law enforcement can take action as appropriate. If you see something happening in the community, or if you know someone or have a loved one or someone, a neighbor, or even if you are that person, it's very important to let law enforcement know.